What you are watching is a differential drive robot. Every moment you see is the result of one equation which is being solved 60 times per second. In the panel A, which is the Jacobian, what it does is it gives us two things: the forward speed, which is equal to the average of both the wheels, and omega, which is the rotation rate, which is equal to the difference divided by the base of the wheel. If both the wheels spin equally, it goes straight, and if one spins faster, it turns. If they spin in the opposite directions, it rotates in space. That is the whole secret of how it moves. In the panel B, you can see the kinematic model. We can see the three differential equations describe where the robot is at every moment. You have x dot, y dot, and theta dot, which is the position and heading. You can see the updates live as well. And you can see this dial, the pink dial on the right. That is the heading angle theta. You can see these ICR circles here, which is the instantaneous center of rotation. The invisible point the robot is pivoting around right now. You can see here. Let me just show you. This circle which you are seeing here. It is the ICR circle about which the robot pivots. And the capital R, which you can see here, it is equal to V divided by omega. That big R is nothing but it is a gentle curve. If the robot spins on the spot, the value of R will be 0. In the panels, you can see the configuration space. Every point on the trail is the robot's mathematical state, which you can see in the graph here. This is how robotics actually work. Not in the physical world, but in this mathematical space. One robot, three equations, and mathematics that runs every autonomous vehicle on the planet. I am Anupam Nigam from MathSphere, making mathematics move. Hope you liked the video of how mathematics is used behind the robotics. This is very simple case I have taken. Let's meet in the next part of this video. Thank you for watching.